Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be making homemade kulfi. This is the first time I'll be making kulfi at home and I've never really made it before, and I wanted to show you guys how I'll be making, and I'm really excited. So let's start the video. So first I'm turning on the flame and adding 1 liter of milk and stirring it. We will cook the milk in medium flame. You have to keep boiling the milk until it gets a nice boil, and as you can see it's the cream, and we have to mix the cream in the milk very nicely. It will give a very yummy and delicious taste and a nice texture in it. And as you can see now, the milk is getting boiled and it's coming upwards. As you can see, the milk has started boiling, and now we are going to take two separate bowls like this, and after that I will tell you what we are going to do from that. And we will take some milk from here and we will separate in the bowls, and after that I'm going to tell you. So let's take the milk from here. Now we have to continuously stir it, otherwise it can get burned. And now I am taking the milk in the separate bowls. So in this milk bowl I will be mixing Amul spray, which is also known as milk powder. I'll take 1 tablespoon. And mix it until I get a smooth paste. If you add it directly to the milk, means which is in the pan, it can get lumps. So please try to follow this step. See, it's quite done. Now we are going to add it in the pan. So now I will be adding this mixture. The milk powder mixture which I made, and now mix it gently. You can add this, means it's not really compulsory to add the milk powder. If you have at home, you can add it, or else it's not really needed. And in this milk bowl I'll be adding corn flour, 1 teaspoon corn flour, and mix it very well. Now we will keep it aside, it's not required now. So after adding the milk powder, we will be adding condensed milk. It will give a very yummy delicious taste in the kulfi. So we will be adding condensed milk as required. So now I'm adding it. I really like the taste of condensed milk. So the consistency will be like this, and now I will be adding the corn flour paste. And mix it very well. We will cook it for 2 to 3 minutes now. And yes, don't forget to keep stirring it, otherwise it can get burned. Meanwhile, I'm here taking some kajus. These are whole kajus. Now we will break this kajus. Now we will add the kajus in the milk. Now I will be turning off the flame. See, it's done. And let this cool down. After 1 hour, the milk has now cooled down and now it's in the room temperature, and we will give it a nice stir and it's done. It's the ice cream mold which I will be using for freezing the kulfis. We can also use for making kulfis, but these are made for ice creams. Especially these are dishwasher safe and I bought from Amazon. I will be giving the links in the description box and you can check it out. After attaching the popsicles in the tray, we will be keeping these popsicles in the freezer for overnight. Hello viewers, good morning. So it's the next morning now. I started making the kulfi in the last evening and I kept the kulfi in the freezer for overnight, and I also suggest you to keep the kulfi in the freezer for overnight because it will get nicely frozen. So now I'll be checking out how the kulfi is and I will show you how it went. I hope it got good. So let's check it out. So first, in a bowl here I have taken normal water which is of room temperature. You can skip this step, but this will help to take out the kulfis from the popsicles very nicely and smoothly, otherwise it can get stuck in between. See, it has come out very nicely. It's a very crunchy one. If you don't like the nutty kulfi, you can skip the kajus which I added during the process of making kulfi, and it's ready to eat now. So here I'm eating the kulfi now. I made it for first time and it was successful for me. So that's it for today viewers. I'll be back with a new video soon. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, so when I will be uploading a new video you will get the notification. Meanwhile, tata and take care of yourself.